Books. Introduction. Reading books offer numerous advantages. This is the reason why it is suggested to encourage children to read from an early age. Different genres of books are available in the market. One can pick the subject that interests him and expand his knowledge. In the same besides enjoying the various other benefits its offer. Advantages of reading book. Here are the sum of advantages of reading book. Enhance knowledge. Book are the storehouse of knowledge that is readily up for grabs. Numerous books are available on the varied subjects. Reading these is the one of the best way to enhance our knowledge. Make wiser. Having knowledge about different things and being wiser are two different things. Books do not only render knowledge about various subjects but also make us wiser. Reading about a particular subject give us deep knowledge about it and also render the wisdom to deal with anything related to it. Kill boredoms. A person who has a habit of reading can never get bored or feel lonely. Books are our best companion. They are always there by side, selflessly without demanding anything in return. Boredom can never touch a person who develops reading habit. All he needs is a good book to give him company. Help explore interest. Numerous books on various subjects are available in the market and in libraries around the world. It is a good idea to read about different subjects in order to explore one interest. The more we read, the more we get to know as to which field interests us more. This can play an important and positive role determining our career choice. Enhance creativity. Fictional books acquaint us with numerous characters and put forward various situations. We faced with various kind of hypothetical situation while reading this book. They give us the wisdom to deal with different situation in different way. Reading take us into a fantasy world and help in boosting up our creativity. Improve vocabulary. It goes without saying that the more books we read, the more words we learn, and this improves our vocabulary. It is a good idea to underline the new words we encounter while reading and look for their meaning side by side to widen for vocabulary. Improves reading and writing skill. Reading book also improve our reading skills. The more we read, the more fluent and faster we get at it. Besides, a person who is well read is good at writing as well. This is because he possesses a rich vocabulary and has better idea as reading widens knowledge and enhance creativity. Boost confidence. As mentioned above, reading enhance our knowledge. A person who is more knowledgeable is certainly more confident. He is better off when it's come to participating in group discussions, debate and quiz competition as well as during interview. Gives new perspective. Reading give up new perspective about various things. We are able to see things from the perspective of the author as well as the character. This give a deeper understanding about life. When faced with a problem, a well-read person will be able to view things from different angles and then cut upon it rather than rushing to the conclusion. Positive impact on personality. Reading good books have a positive impact on the personality. A person is well read, worldly wise, confident and creative would certainly have a better personality. Conclusion. Thus we see that reading books offer numerous benefits. It makes us confident, improve our vocabulary, enhance our reading and writing skill, give us new perspective about life, enhance knowledge, make us wiser and has a positive impact on our overall personality. A person who is well reader is looked up upon by everyone around. Thank you.